It is dumping. Coming down, straight blizzard.
Millennium Falcon, hyperspeed.
Yeah, dude, hyperspeed, man. It's a blizzard right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Shandon Bradford Outdoors. Got Tyson with me here today. We are making headway in the snow today. First one's up here. Gonna go fish, I don't know, around the Skyline Drive area. So next time you see us, we'll be out on the lake. All right, got the track sled. We got a little train going on today. Woo! All right, guys, we are in the tent. Everything's set up. We have the fish finder here. We got the underwater camera here. And I think we're going to do a little fish counter. So on this video here, my score will be on the left side of the screen, whatever. Tyson's will be on the right. Or should we just do total? Let's just do total.
No, let's do that, and then loser buys lunch.
Loser buys lunch? Okay, fine. Competition time starts now. Oh! Here we go. Dude, come to me, you worthless. Come on. Yeah! Alright, here we go. One zip, my guy.
I really don't want to downsize, but if I have to.
Shoot, dude. If you want me to upsize, I'll upsize.
No. Shannon, we need all the help we can get.
Oh, yeah.
I just need the sense of Holy sh!
Oh, that's a big one, bro.
Dang,
dude, that's a good one right there.
That's a good one.
Good work. Here, I'll get the bump board actually for him.
Oh, look at that hook set, bro. Oh,
Just barely skin tagged him.
Chill, bro.
Oh, there's one. 2-2. Yours is definitely bigger, though. Alright, there's mine. Nothing special. Here's Tyson's, though. 16 and a half. You get to a half. Yeah, 16 and a half.
16 and a half. We'll take her. That's probably the biggest one I've caught out of here so far this season.
Yeah.
Ooh! Not as big as he felt, but dang. Hey, chill.
Oh, there he goes. Deuces.
I try and be so nice to them, and then they are so dramatic.
Alrighty, guys. Tyson's going to continue fishing, but got a little product sponsor for this video. Got Time USB lithium phosphate ion batteries. So, yeah, this is a 12.8 volt, 50 amp hour battery. So, lithium, super light. You can use this for trolling. Oh, got a fish. One moment. Oh, it came off. Yeah. So you're gonna see me with this battery in my boat. I'm gonna use it for my trolling motor. I'm gonna make a little power box for it as well. So on my fish finder, I made a little power box as well. It has all the switches. Has the cigarette lighter port, some USB ports. In order to really get the full use of my battery and fish finder. Gonna do the same thing for this. This battery is gonna power some lights and everything in this flip over tent. It's gonna charge all my camera batteries, my phone battery, everything like that. So I'll put the more information on it. Awesome, great battery here. Gonna last a really long time. Super excited to work with Time USB. And yeah, I'll just put the price and some more information on the screen for y'all. But definitely check them out. I have a link and a coupon code down below in the description. So you can definitely check that out. Ah, got him! That was sick. Hey, that's a good one.
Holy cow, look how many came in, bro, when I dropped this down.
That's a lot. Oh! See, dude.
Look at
all those fish.
Oh.
Oh, look at all those fish, dude.
Dude. Yep, I caught him in. Caught him in.
Yep. There you go.
Hey, chill. 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 See?
Got him.
You're good to go.
Oh, hit the camera. Oh, holy crap, dude. They're wild. Just another
Yeah,
little
like he's
guy.
never gonna live. Looks like he's never gonna see another day.
Oh. Alright, dude. See you. Tiger. Oh no, it's a spike. Ooh, ooh, look at this, dude. That was instant, huh?
You switched to something else? Or
I just put shrimp on it.
Yeah.
Instant, man.
Yeah, I don't think this was doing it for him. The pink. Because I've had shrimp on me.
Alright. Little splake, hyper splake. See ya. Oh, he pooped on me, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, fishy. Nice. There we go, baby. Little guy. Oh, he got wrapped up. Oh, he soaked the heater on that one.
Houston, we have a problem. We have a feisty fella.
Alright, another little splake. See ya. Alrighty, guys, the bite has slowed down a little bit. So, they're still down there. They're just being super finicky. We're downsizing right now to some super small stuff. But itty bitty microplastics and tungsten jigs. So, yeah, hopefully we'll catch a few. But probably gonna wrap it up. That's gonna be it for this video. We'll stick here for a couple more minutes. But if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.